Guru Nanak Interfaith Prize recognizes and supports the efforts of those individuals and organizations that work to advance the mission of first Guru of Sikh religion, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. As the founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak taught that we discover our oneness with humanity by exploring our differences. For past several years, Guru Nanak Interfaith Prize is hosted in collaboration with Hofstra University, and the two organizations are dedicated in promoting tolerance and religious understanding through education, research, and leadership training. This year's awardees at the award ceremony were Diana Eck, the director of the Pluralism Project at Harvard University, and Pradeep Kaleka, co-founder of Serve to Unite. Pradeep Kaleka is an inner-city school teacher and former police officer who launched Serve to Unite after his father, Satwant Singh Kaleka, the president of the Sikh Temple of Wisconsin, was killed in the mass shooting in 2012.
And I accept this award on behalf of not myself, not just my family, not just our religion and our faith and our culture, but we accept this award on behalf of an entire nation. We accept this award on behalf of humanity, who knows that we can do better and we should do better.
The Pluralism Project has engaged religious practitioners, students, scholars, interfaith and civic leaders for nearly 25 years around national and international research and education about religious diversity.
To accept an award in the name of Guru Nanak. This is an astounding and humbling thing for me. An award named for a figure in the history of religion in the last millennium who has been of salutary inspiration, not simply to me, but to millions and millions of people. In his time, he refused to acknowledge the boundaries that divided high from low, men from women, Hindu from Muslim. And his view of the divine, the horizon of the divine, was as wide as the world.
Hofstra University's president, Stuart Rabinowitz, said these two organizations use education and dialogue to promote tolerance, compassion, and religious understanding.
We are thrilled to be holding the Guru Nanak Award dinner tonight. And if there was ever a time in the history of the world where understanding among religions was necessary and education among different religions was necessary, it's now. And religion, the whole point of the Guru Nanak Prize is that different religions shouldn't separate people, but rather build bridges between them. And we are delighted to make our contribution to that effort this evening.
Bernard Firestone of Hofstra College of Liberal Arts and Sciences said this year's recipients were chosen to reflect that there is no single approach to promoting interfaith understanding.
The fact is that in this time, religion is frequently viewed as a force for division and even violence. And what the Bindra Guru Nanak Award demonstrates is that religion can be a force for peace each year.
Guru Nanak Interfaith Prize was established with a gift from the family of the late Sardar Ishar Singh Bindra and Sardarni Kuljit Kaur Bindra, prominent Sikh Americans who lived in Brookville, New York. In September 2000, the Bindra family endowed the Sardarni Kuljit Kaur Bindra Chair in Sikh Studies at Hofstra University in honor of the family's matriarch. Tejinder Bindra, who is also a member of the university's Board of Trustees, noted when the award was inaugurated that Guru Nanak espoused a message of universal brotherhood at a time of increasing religious intolerance during 15th and 16th century in India.
In these troubling times, in the name of religion, thousands of lives are lost and families destroyed. It was our parents' dream to build a better understanding among religions and to honor individuals and organizations that can build the bridges between the various faiths. Thus, the Guru Nanak Prize was established at Hofstra University. It is named after Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, who stood for universal brotherhood. जगत जलंदा रख ले अपनी कृपा तार जित दुबारे उभरे तिथे लियो बार. Guru Nanak pleads to the Almighty God, please admit anyone in heaven, irrespective of caste, color, sex or creed, as long as the person has done good deeds.